Tell them all to stop,
For how long?
until I command them otherwise.
You're learning to talk like a queen.
Not a queen, a Khaleesi.
You dare! You give commands to me! To me! You do not command the dragon. I am Lord of the Seven Kingdoms. I don't take orders from savages or their sluts. Do you hear me?
Rakaro asked if you want him dead, Khaleesi.
No! Tell him I don't want my brother harmed.
Woman! Kill these Dothraki dogs! I am your king!
Shall we return to the Khalasar, Khaleesi?
You walk.